Today I'm working on a 2013 Volkswagen Passat, but this repair also works on 2012 up to 2016. So my cigarette lighter is not charging my phone. I bought this car used and it hasn't worked since I bought it, and I'm finally getting around to fixing it. So we're gonna pop the fuse box open, and that's located right here. All you'll need for this is just some type of pry tool, like a flathead screwdriver, and a fuse. This is a 30 amp green fuse. So let's pop this open. We come down here. Here is our little slot for that. And the little clip is right over here. So as you're pulling, if you can slide down to pop here, then our other one's right here. So kind of slide your hand up and that'll pop out. You can see what those guys look like. This is the position of the cigarette lighter fuse. And if we pull that out, there it is. That's blown fuse. So that's definitely the issue. We'll grab our fuse. We'll stick it in. One thing I'd like to mention though, before you do anything with fuses, is make sure the car is turned off. The key is not in the ignition. Another nice thing is they have these little fuse tweezers on the back. So if you're pulling any of these other fuses that are real tight together, they have a little tool in there. Then when you guys put this back on, just line up your clips, push firm. Boom, there we go. Now we're gonna throw the key in and make sure that that was the issue. So I have a green light there. Problem solved. That's how you change a fuse on a Volkswagen Passat and fix the cigarette lighter. Hey, if this was helpful, please subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments how this helped. Thank you. Bye.